my channel. This is Crazy Cubers, and guys, today I am going to make D letter on this 7x7 Rubik's Cube. So guys, please like, share and comment this video. And if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel. So guys, now I am making the letter. So let's get started. Guys, I am making the letter. It will take me, it took me around 2 minutes to make the letter. So guys, in between D letter, when I was making, it became O letter. I will make D letter but in between it becomes O letter also. You can see. I am making D letter now. But so guys, it is built on one side, D letter. Now we'll make on another side, another 2 sides mean. So guys, I am making that D letter. Alright guys, no, sorry. It is built on only 2 sides, 1 and 2. I am making on another side also. Alright guys, it is built on 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Looking beautiful. See, D letter, and D letter. Alright guys, it is built on all the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see that looking very beautiful. So guys, I will post next video soon. So guys, bye bye. It is built on all the sides of cube and looking very amazing. So guys, I will post next video soon of E. So guys, bye bye.